Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our newest episode. This will be the final episode in part one. If you're watching this after a year of release, then you can just ignore what I just said because you're just gonna get into it and become a professional very soon. In this beginner series, we're gonna talk about a lot, but today is about the why, the big why, the purpose. Why are you doing this? I want you to open a notepad on your computer or get a pen, just a pen and paper. It doesn't really matter what. And I want you to write it down the why you're actually watching this video. Why are you starting in the first place? Okay. And I want you to really think about it. Like, pause the video and actually think, like, for the next 10 minutes, 5 minutes, doesn't matter how long it is, just think about, why am I doing this? Okay. I want to make Robux. Why do I want to make Robux? Make a little string. Quick. Want to make Robux? Okay, why do I want to make Robux? Because I want to buy stuff in games. Why do I want to buy stuff in games? Because play X, Y, and Z, and I don't have enough Robux to afford it. Is it worth buying it? Or do I actually just want to start a career where I can DevX the money and, yeah, make a living for myself, you know? It's not all about the money. Everybody focuses on the money, and I see developers like, I remember last year, like I sent the videos to my friend, and it's like, your POV, you're a Roblox developer, and I think it's like, I don't know who it was, but they have like Rolexes on and stuff, and I'm like, there's money, but why are you focusing on all the materialistic things permanently? There has to be some passion where you can just sit down and practice to improve, so you can fuel your soul with the art piece that you chose, or the creative field that you chose, which is 3D designing. And instead of just focusing on the money, man. Like, I'm gonna be honest, if you can't not focus on just the materialistic things, you're not going to improve. You have to be able to humble yourself down and say, I'm not good enough. Let me sit down and practice for the next month, 2 months. Okay? If you're able to do that. There's gonna be areas in your life where you practice more in this professional field, then you actually make money out of it, man. That's why I'm trying to teach you this. And it makes it difficult. Like, I understand, like, without money, how are you gonna survive? That's the world we're in right now. But this is about setting up a career. It's not all about just the money. After you have your little string of things that you've written down, I want you to select the big why, select the first thing written. So let's say it's like, I want to make money. Okay, I want to help like this person. I want to be able to grow out of this. I want to be able to start this journey. Put it up on your wall. You have the why. Write it down as a goal. The goal is get my first commission. The goal is become like this person so I can actually start marketing. The goal is become better so I can do X, Y, and Z. Take a big piece of paper, take a Sharpie or like, a marker, write down in capital letters, goal, okay? Get first commission. Put it up on your doors every time you walk out of your room. That's the only thing you can see. Because we as humans tend to forget the why. I know that sounds dumb, bro, but if you keep forgetting the why and procrastinate every corner and every little thing that you encounter, you're gonna fail. There's still competition. Outside of the fact that you have to practice and you have to have humility to actually be able to get to that point, there's competition. It's a market. Modeling is not oversaturated because it still has a market and a supply and a demand for assets for games. The most amount of developers on Roblox are modelers. I have never seen this amount of modelers in a community in accumulation. Look on Hidden Devs, for like 40,000 modelers, 10,000 scripters, bro. It's still profitable. Don't get me wrong. It's just that you're gonna have to compete with people. Like, there's nothing wrong with looking at somebody at your current skill level and being like, I can beat this person. And then out competing them and making a better model than them. It gives you the drive to actually sit on your computer for the next few hours and just practice. So just remember that. I want you to remember your goals. I remember you to have the humility. I want you to cast away all the materialistic things for now. Life doesn't have to be about all that, bro. You have to find your goal. And I just want you to remind yourself of the why. And there's going to be a day where you fail at your goal. Maybe. Try again. Same process. Why am I doing this? New goal. Pursue it. Humans are inclined to finish things on time. If I give you a essay to write and I give you a month to do it, you're most likely going to be inclined to finish it on the day. You might procrastinate until a week before and then start because you're like, I can finish it in a week. Or you're going to do it now and probably stretch it out until the day that you're going to finish it, and then you're going to be done. That's how our brains are inclined to function. There's nothing wrong with that. Take advantage of that by writing a goal down and pursuing it. If you complete your goal and you're successful, congratulations. Get a new goal. And sometimes it's not going to be an immediate thing. You need to get the systems in place as well. It's not always just about, okay, get the goal. Why? How? Okay, this is what I want to pursue. Doesn't matter what the constraints are that are in your path. How am I going to get to that goal? What do I need to do? What do I need to practice? What am I bad at? What am I good at? Pursue it. Finish it. New why, new goal, new system. Repeat. That's how you improve. More in-depth video on this later, on just improving, just practicing. But yeah, this is the most important thing that you have to remember. Okay. Now, this video is over. It's a very short one. I'm going to post these videos only for now, and then there's going to be a little wait period on the next few. I'm trying to get it out as fast as possible. A few things are going on in life, because life happens, but we push forward, and I want you to have that mindset as well. There are a lot of open communities to ask questions. You can ask questions in my Discord community if you want. We're trying to grow as much as humanly possible. Don't be shy of asking a question. I know a lot of people come to me like, can you teach me how to model? I'm like, do I have time for it? Not always. It's very difficult to do that over DMs, but if you come with a more organized question like, hey man, I'm struggling of understanding exactly how vertex painting works. Can you quickly show me how to actually do this properly? Or I'm trying to improve in rigging. I'm trying to improve in texturing. My anatomy, my human anatomy doesn't look as well. Or like it doesn't look as good. Contact me. My Discord's there. Join my Discord server. Ask me the question. Ping me. I don't care if you ping me. And I'll help you as much as I humanly can. So do that. I'll see you in the next one. Post what you've done. I like seeing people's work and how they improved. And I'll see you very soon in the next one. This course is doing very well. Tell me how I can improve these videos, what you would like to see editing wise. I'm trying to keep this as simple as possible. I don't want you to be distracted. If you can't even watch these videos with a lot of editing, don't watch them. You're not worthy of watching them. You're going to fail because you can't even focus on a simple video like this. Okay? Now, see you soon in the next one. Peace.